Hi, Andrew Bell here with you as we rapidly move into the final weeks of 2012. Just a quick update on sales activity. We finished October with our best sales month of the year, up some 27% on September alone. Sales were right throughout all price segments and all property types, and certainly setting the stage for the activity we can expect through the upcoming tourist season. And yesterday we had our in-room auctions. Very big turn up and lots of activity. In fact, we've got, of our residential properties, 50% of those sold. Now that gives an indication that the market has certainly stabilised. You know, even in Sydney and in Melbourne, they're only recording 60% on the day of auction. So a 50% is certainly a very solid figure. We know lots of other transactions are happening post-auction, and as typically would happen, we would expect our sales results to be up close to the 85% bracket within the next week or so. Now, just last week we saw the return of the first Qantas flight to the Gold Coast after Qantas withdrew from the region 4 years ago. They have obviously done their homework and identified that the Gold Coast tourism market has rebounded and is gaining momentum. In particular, they've openly stated that they were chasing the high-dollar business traveller, who they see coming here in larger numbers, both for business and for leisure. This is just a further reminder of how significant tourism is to the Gold Coast and how it feeds into the real estate market. Now, as you know, we would sell more properties on the Gold Coast by far than any other real estate company. And our own internal figures during 2012 have shown that in all prime markets, up to 67% of our buyers come from Brisbane, interstate or overseas. What we do know is that hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people, in fact, the official tourism numbers have claimed up to 1 million people visit the Gold Coast over the Christmas-January period. Many of these are day trippers from Brisbane, but the lion's share of them are people from interstate and overseas. This is why some 19 years ago we commenced a promotion called The Event. It was a two-pronged approach. Firstly, to provide sellers of Gold Coast property with the best marketing program ever devised so as to capture all the interests, all those local, interstate and overseas visitors here on the Gold Coast at this peak time of the year. And secondly, to provide buyers with an excellent selection of some of the Gold Coast's best properties. Well, over the years, the event has just continued to grow in stature, to such a stage that the Australian Financial Review described it as the litmus test of the Australian property market each year. We have also received so many other massive endorsements of this very special event. It's now recognised around Australia as the premier marketing program in the industry. It starts the real estate yearly calendar off with a national focus. This year there are so many other benefits for sellers and buyers alike, even those who simply attend inspections. This program will again bring together buyers and sellers of Gold Coast properties like we've never before seen. We're really excited about this year's event as it is in alignment with the best sales period we've seen in 5 years. And as official figures show, over the past month or two, tourist numbers are also up 16%. It is anticipated the numbers will even be substantially more than that 16% as we move to the Christmas-New Year period. Now, interest rates are near record low levels, and for buyers, they have the most incentive to buy that they've had in decades. Not only because of those fixed interest rates, but also because we are now at what everyone agrees is the bottom market. I have no doubt there's going to be many ready, willing and able buyers, but as I anticipate, buyers will be here in even greater numbers come January. For sellers, there hasn't been a better time to sell Gold Coast properties in 5 years. And so I thought I should let our valued clients have the first opportunity to book in, as numbers are strictly limited. We have multiple components of this particular event. We focus on various segments such as our specialised programs for apartment sales, our general housing. We have a special feature, the Ray White Prestige at Palazzo Versace, and programs for retail, office, industrial. We're even highlighting new projects, and of course it's the perfect time of the year for our marine operation. Summer and boating, perfect combination. It truly is one of a kind, and the most exciting promotion seen anywhere in Australia each year. If you are thinking of selling, it would be wise to let us know as quickly as possible. Our details are shown on the screen. And likewise, if you are thinking of buying, also let us know and we'll keep you fully informed of all the amazing properties that form part of the event 2013. Now, looking forward to keeping the Gold Coast properties at the forefront, here locally, nationally and internationally. Lots of sales happening at present in the international market. If you want to be the first to hear breaking news, by the way, or any significant news of real estate development here on the Gold Coast, follow me on Twitter. I'd be delighted to keep you up to date. The details are also shown on screen. Well, looking forward to catching up with you in a fortnight's time for a further insight into a key component of the Gold Coast property market. Kind regards for now, and all the best.